In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your GoHighLevel subscription. First, open GoHighLevel in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on your main dashboard. If you're watching this on desktop, I've placed the official website link at the top of the description. If you use the mobile app or another access method, check the download link in the description as well. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you see Settings. Click it to open your account configuration panel. This is where most account level controls live, so it's the right place to manage billing. Inside Settings, find Billing or Company Billing. The exact label can vary, but either option takes you to the same area. Here you'll see your current subscription plan, the payment method on file, and your next renewal date. Take a moment to note that renewal date so you know when changes will take effect. Next, scroll through the billing page to locate the cancellation control. It may be labeled Cancel Subscription or Cancel Account. It's usually near plan details or at the bottom of the page. Click it to begin the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen prompts. GoHighLevel may ask you to choose a reason for canceling or present alternatives. Select the option that best fits your situation and continue. If you see retention offers you don't want, simply proceed without accepting them. When you reach the review screen, carefully confirm the details. Double-check the plan being cancelled and the effective date. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to finalize the request. For your records, it's smart to take a quick screenshot of this page or jot down the confirmation details. After you cancel, watch your inbox for a confirmation email. Keep that message as proof of cancellation. It's helpful if you ever need to discuss billing later. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Finally, know what happens next. Your account typically remains active until the end of your current billing cycle, and refunds for unused time are not usually provided, so plan your timing accordingly. During this period, you can back up any data you want to keep and make sure teammates know about the change. That's it. You've successfully cancelled your GoHighLevel subscription. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to revisit any section while you complete the steps. And thanks for watching.